Point number 2. They will be just happy. When they receive even 10%, 5%, 2% lesser payout, they complain. You can make all these things turn into a big positivity in the market instead of getting it into the negativity. So if you have not you will see how transparent the system is. Check it and you will see, because of transparency, a centralized system like eOracle cannot give you even 0.01% extra payout because it cannot. But you okay? Customer has to reach out to you will be sending me messages and sending messages to your teams. Okay. Point number 2, a small tutorial. So what you have to do, I'm going to tell you step by step. Open your dashboard. All right. You have 2 ECN wallet there. ECN TRC20 wallet. Here you have a withdraw button. You withdraw all your ECNs from here. All right. So once you're going to click on this wallet, you was this button you have here. Next step, all right. So try to have 2 devices. It will make your job easier and faster. And suppose you want to activate a Crusader package. Let's say you want to activate a package of, let's say, $10,000. Okay. Here you have you can get it back also, so no problem. And 0% fees. Here, when you click about, this is for your activation. this is not coming to the system. It is for your wallet synchronization with the TRC20 blockchain. Deposit 1 Tron here before. You have to do it only one time, not all the time, just to activate the wallet once. After that, you don't have to do it with every single transactions in the future. And this 1 Tron, which you have deposited in this ECN TRC20 wallet, wait for 2-3 minutes. And also, let me tell you this, where you have crypto wallet, you have Tron wallet also. When you deposit 1 Tron here to activate your ECN wallet, in 2-3 minutes, you can open your Tron wallet and you can see that your 1 TRX will be showing here. So it's basically not going to the admin, not going to the system, not going nowhere. So the most important step is to activate your ECN TRC20 wallet, because if you don't activate it and if you transfer ECN, you will not be able to see the balance because the blockchain is not synced. So the first and most important fact that when you, for one time only, when you are generating your ECN wallet for the first time, deposit 1 Tron to ECN wallet, not to Tron wallet. You will think that why I'm depositing Tron to ECN wallet. Do it. Don't think about it. Deposit 1 Tron to your ECN wallet. Wait for 2-3 minutes. It will be activated automatically. You have to do nothing else. And then you open your TronLink Pro wallet. I'm talking about this feature. Send the ECN from here to your ECN wallet and you will see the balance here, 10,000. Click on convert to EPT button and you will see the EPT available in your master wallet. Then you do the activation the way you have been doing. Clear? Thank you. Also, you can lower down your hand. Also, one more note. Suppose deposited ECN without activating the wallet. Suppose before activating, for activation your ECN TRC20 wallet, you know it, for activating ECN TRC20 wallet, you know that you have to deposit 1 TRX to your ECN TRC20 wallet. Make sure deposit here, nowhere else. So you know how to activate your wallet. But let's say because of lack of trainings and lack of information, and sometimes everybody is not available, you have deposited ECN before and your balance is showing 0 because your wallet is not synced with the blockchain. You are not able to see the balance. Don't panic. Ask your member that, okay, no problem. You deposit 1 TRX now. Deposit 1 TRX to the same wallet. Wait for 3-4 minutes, because the moment you will deposit 1 TRX, it will activate it. Wait for 3-4 minutes, refresh your page, and you will be able to see your ECN balance. Automatically, you will see it. Suppose you have deposited 500 ECN, but you forgot to activate the wallet, and you are not able to see the balance. You can see the balance is still 0, and you are panicking. You are 3,000 people knowing this answer. That you tell them, don't worry, deposit 1 Tron to the same wallet, wait for 3-4 minutes, refresh the page, and you will see the balance of 500 ECN in 3-4 minutes. Clear? This is very important. It has to be clear. So you must have the answer. If somebody is telling you that they are unable to see the ECN balance they have deposited, you just check, ask two questions. Did you activate your wallet? Did you transfer one Tron? No, I did not. Okay, transfer one Tron and you will see your balance in 3-4 minutes. Refresh your page, you will see it. Okay, this is more important. Okay, so we got both things covered. The better is to activate it first and then send the ECN, but vice versa is also fine. If you have sent the ECN first, unable to see, you can send the Tron later on. But when you promote, you have to make a duplicatable model. So you promote that you activate your ECN TRC20 wallet first. How to activate? Deposit one Tron in it. The same ECN address. Deposit one Tron. 2-3 minutes you wait. It will not say it's activated. You don't have to look somewhere whether it is activated or not. Just wait for 2-3 minutes, deposit ECN, wait for 2-3 minutes, refresh, you will see. And you will see the hash rate, transaction history, everything. Okay? And you can copy that hash, go to Tron scan if you want to see your transaction. It's a blockchain based transaction. Copy your hash, go to Tron scan, paste your hash key, click enter, new page will open, go down, you will see ECN, it will show you how many ECN, from which wallet, who is sender, who is receiver. You will see all the information. You will see sender is your TronLink Pro wallet that you can match also, and receiver is your eOracle ECN TRC20 wallet address. So you can validate. Any question, if you get from your team, you ask for the hash rate and ask his ECN TRC20 wallet and match. Okay, if it is matched, you know, you need to be ready to answer this question. It's very simple steps. So please train to your team accordingly. All right.